Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Shaima. I have completed 1000 subscribers in YouTube. Thank you so much to those who have checked out my channel and subscribed. This is keeping me busy to move on through this difficult time. I thank each one of you for your lovely support and motivation. Let us celebrate this day by baking a vanilla pastry cake. This is very soft and spongy cake. This is all-time favorite of cake lovers. The ingredients needed are 1½ cup maida, 1 cup is 250 ml, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 eggs in normal temperature, ½ cup warm milk. Instead of milk, you can use warm water also. 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1½ teaspoon vanilla essence, 1½ cup whipping cream and 1 pinch salt. Let us start making it. In the first stage, we can prepare the cake batter. For that, take a bowl, break the eggs into this. Add 1½ teaspoon vanilla essence and beat for 2 minutes. It is good to beat the egg after adding essence. This will not give egg smell to the cake. Add sugar to this. Beat this till it becomes fluffy. After beating, it should be in this consistency. Add 1/4 cup vegetable oil and beat this for a minute. Now we can add maida to this. I used a strainer here. Add 1 pinch salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder to the maida. Mix and strain this. Mix the maida properly in egg mixture. Add milk in between. You can use warm water in place of milk. The batter should be in this consistency. The cake batter is ready. Now we can bake this. Take a cake tin. I took 7-inch cake tin here. Grease it with butter paper. Pour cake batter slowly to cake tin. Tap it 3 to 4 times to remove the air bubbles. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated convection microwave oven. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Your cake is ready now. Check the cake with a toothpick. Here my toothpick is clean, so our cake is properly baked. Give some time to get it cooled. Remove the papers from sides. Take it out from cake tin. Remove the butter paper. The cake is very soft and spongy. Now we can prepare sugar syrup for softening the cake. To make sugar syrup, take a pan, add half cup sugar to 3/4 cup of water. Then boil it. Transfer this to a bowl and allow it to cool. Keep it aside. Now we can prepare the cream required for icing the cake. I took rich topping dairy-free whipping cream here. Delhi is too hot nowadays. I took a bowl, add few ice cubes, then keep the bowl for whipping into this. The bowl and the blades also made cool, otherwise the whipping will not be proper. Add 1½ cup cream to the bowl. Beat this for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and ½ teaspoon vanilla essence. And beat it in high speed. Within 4 to 5 minutes, the cream got whipped properly. Transfer few portion to another bowl. Add 1 teaspoon red food color to this. You can choose any color and quantity depending on your likes. This is in light color now, but after some time the color will be rich. Take the cake now. We should cut this into layers. I took a thread to cut this into layers. Hold the thread like this and encircle it. Cross the thread and pull it. You will get the cake cut into layers. Clean the cake. Now we can do crumb coating on the cake. I took the cream in a piping bag. This will help easy spreading of cream. Take a turntable, add few whipping cream in the center. Keep cake base on top of this. Add few whipping cream in the center. Keep the cake sheet on top. Pour sugar syrup on top to make it more soft. Spread the whipping cream on top of this. You can spread it as per your convenience. Add another cake sheet. Repeat the process. Keep the third cake sheet. Add sugar syrup. Spread the whipping cream. Add cream to the sides and level this. Now the crumb coating is completed. Keep this cake in fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can do icing on this cake. Cover the cake with whipping cream on all sides. Spread and level this. The icing is completed. You can decorate the cake as per your likes. Add the colored cream in a piping bag and decorate the cake. I used star nozzle to do this decoration. Put some sugar balls on top of this. Now your tasty 1K vanilla pastry cake is ready. Try it out and share with your dear ones. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Cooking with Shaima. I will be coming with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.